Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we'll be reviewing one of the best dual channel oscilloscopes on the market, the FNIRSI 2C53T Dual Channel Oscilloscope. If you're looking for a powerful and precise oscilloscope for your lab, stay tuned as we dive into its features, pros, cons, and final thoughts. Let's get started. Product features: dual independent channels. The oscilloscope features two isolated channels, ensuring that signals are accurately captured without interference, making it perfect for analyzing complex systems. 50 MHz analog bandwidth and 250 ms/s sampling rate. With a 50 MHz bandwidth and 250 ms/s sampling rate, this oscilloscope captures waveforms with high precision, ideal for a variety of applications where signal clarity is critical. Advanced hardware architecture. Utilizing ARM processors, FPGA technology, and high-speed ADCs, this oscilloscope delivers superior performance comparable to desktop models, offering faster and more accurate waveform capture. Powerful triggering system. Supports automatic, single, and normal triggering modes, ensuring that even rare or transient events can be efficiently captured and analyzed. One-click measurement. Simplifies adjustments with one-click functionality, allowing for quick, precise measurements and improving overall workflow efficiency. Waveform saving and viewing. Easily save waveforms for later analysis, view them directly on the oscilloscope, or export them to a computer for further investigation or documentation. Pros: high sampling rate and bandwidth. Captures signals accurately, ensuring reliable data analysis. Independent dual channels. Avoids interference, providing clear and precise waveform readings. Desktop-level performance. Uses an advanced architecture, making it competitive with higher-end oscilloscopes. Easy one-click measurement. Simplifies signal analysis, reducing setup time. Multiple triggering modes. Offers flexibility for different types of signal capture. Convenient waveform storage. Allows users to save and analyze data efficiently. User-friendly interface. Simple and intuitive controls make it accessible for beginners and professionals alike. Cons: limited bandwidth for some applications. While 50 MHz is sufficient for most tasks, some high-frequency applications may require more bandwidth. No built-in battery. Requires a constant power connection, limiting portability. Basic software features. While functional, it lacks some advanced software capabilities found in premium oscilloscopes. No touchscreen interface. Uses traditional button navigation instead of touch controls. Final thoughts. The FNIRSI 2C53T Dual Channel Oscilloscope is an excellent choice for those seeking a high-performance oscilloscope with advanced features at a reasonable price. Its independent dual-channel design, high sampling rate, powerful triggering system, and easy measurement functions make it perfect for electronics engineers, students, and DIY enthusiasts. If you're interested in purchasing this oscilloscope, check out the price link in the description for the latest deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.